Understanding Judging Criteria, a guide to English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, judging criteria. This is a common term you might encounter in various contexts, such as competitions, evaluations, or even job interviews. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Judging criteria consists of two words, judging and criteria. Judging refers to the act of making a decision or forming an opinion about something, often after careful consideration. Criteria is the plural form of criterion, which means a standard or principle by which something is judged or decided. Together, judging criteria are the standards or principles used to evaluate or make a decision about something. Let's look at how judging criteria is used in different scenarios. 1. In a cooking contest. Here, the judging criteria might include taste, presentation, creativity, and use of ingredients. 2. In an academic setting. For a science fair, the criteria could be originality, scientific accuracy, complexity, and presentation. 3. In job interviews, employers might use criteria like experience, skills, cultural fit, and problem-solving abilities. Understanding these criteria can help you prepare better for various situations. Clear judging criteria are essential for fairness and transparency. They ensure that everyone is evaluated by the same standards, and they help participants understand what is expected of them. Knowing the criteria can also guide your preparation and performance in any competitive or evaluative scenario. Some people confuse criteria with criterion. Remember, criteria is plural for many standards, and criterion is singular for one standard. It's important to use these terms correctly to convey your message accurately. I hope this video has helped clarify what judging criteria means and how you can apply this knowledge in real-life situations. Remember, understanding the criteria used in any evaluative process is key to success. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.